know how brand it is.
Hey, gorgeous, pretty girl.
Welcome to today's vlog. It is a clean with me. Literally, I feel like because it's a whole new year, like we're about to go into spring soon, I feel like it's no better time than to do a full house, a deep clean. So that's what me and my husband finna do. And yes, I'm making my husband help me because I ain't mess up this house by myself. Okay, so it's early in the morning, it's a Saturday, so I done wrote out so we don't miss nothing, a whole checklist of everything that needs to get clean. So it's titled Clean House Day. And it's got bedroom, bathrooms, kitchen, living room, balcony. So I figured the bedroom would be the most interesting parts and the most work, to be honest, other than the kitchen. So for obviously the bed, dressers, desk, closet, sweep and mop. And then we're about to like get deep into this. So like I'm gonna be going through all my drawers. He's gonna be going through all his drawers. I'm not playing. We're gonna be going through all these clothes, getting rid of stuff. Trash bags. One is for clothes that we don't need no more and just stuff we don't need that we can donate. And then another one is for actual trash. And I know there's like trash on the balcony. And then like trash in here in our bathroom. Even like our drawers and stuff like that. We have stuff we don't like. I know I have a bottle of lotion that needs to probably be thrown away because I'm over here hitting it against my hand like 100 times just to get some lotion out. So let's clean. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm excited to do this. Every time what gave me the inspiration to start and do one of these videos is that every time I clean, I always want to like pull it up on YouTube, somebody else clean it. I don't know, it just like I feel like I'm cleaning with somebody else, you know, when I do that. So I was like, I don't know, them videos is kind of satisfying. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna start with the bed. When we be cleaning, me and my husband be getting into it, so we made up some rules. So first of all, music. Everybody has to clean with music. So every hour we're gonna take turns with whoever like chooses the music, because I like R&B. He be trying to play drill music. I'm like, who plays drill music when they're cleaning? Like that don't even make sense. But yeah, so I'm gonna be playing R&B for an hour, and then every single hour we're also going to take a 10-minute break. So I'm also set a timer because he be trying to play and he be trying to take little 30-minute breaks on his phone. I'm like, chop, it's time to get up into time to clean. So yeah, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna get this bed. I didn't even bother making the bed, so don't judge me because I do be making my bed. I just didn't bother making the bed this time because I know I was gonna be changing all of that stuff. So yeah, let me get my music. I gotta find the remote. See, this is why we need to clean, because I don't even know where the remote is at. How am I starting and don't even got no remote to turn the music on? This is why my husband is on my nerves. Oh, also, let me do a little before and after, because y'all, this room, when I say it needs to be clean, it needs to be clean. So I'm gonna show y'all around. I'm gonna give y'all a little around the room. And don't judge me, I don't live like this. My room don't be messy. I literally have the stuff that's in here that's a mess I saved, because I know that sounds dumb, but get my logic. I was like, I can clean it in my video. So that's what I did, okay? So over here we have the bed needs to be made, my dresser, the desk, the pillow. I always throw the extra pillows we don't use from the bed onto that chair. And then the TV. Okay, and then I need to do something on the bed. And those clothes I don't have room in my closet for, so that's why I have to go through my closet. And then that box of stuff is literally stuff I got for Christmas that I also don't have any room for. So yeah. Okay. Feel good, hip hop and R&B.
Electrified.
Bad number 2. That's crazy.
Make me lose my breath, make me water.
The warning, pray to the one you're relying. I've been wondering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by but I'm burning. I mean, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind going to the other side, and it's time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need a different mind now. I really need cannot wait, and the other one price that you cannot pay. This is the peace that you cannot buy, finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief, but behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts are trouble. I need to give up my pain. I need to be on my lane, my mind. I need to the other side. I need time to leave my life. I need try to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need my love. I really need and to bring my love. I really need my love. I need to bring my mind out. I really need my love. I really need and to bring my love. I really need my love. Oh, yeah.
Regardless of my conscience.
And it's happy because I'm thinking of
you. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that Metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded.
I'm done after this.
You went through your whole closet.
I did that already.
When?
Okay, whatever.
But
y'all,
another 3 inches.
Okay.
Of space.
You guys, we are making good progress. It really don't look like it, but we are, because we already even got rid of basically like 2 bags of clothes. No, I don't need an extra hoodie. I don't have no space. But yeah, you guys, we're doing good. We're making progress. We don't have no room in our closet, but that's trash. Even KT's getting rid of clothes. He don't never get rid of clothes, so we doing good. I just feel like every time I'm getting a little bit, you know, every time I'm getting somewhere, I have to restart because I have to open a whole new drawer and make a whole new mess of stuff. But it's fine, everything's fine. I'm happy to be able to do something with this basket of clothes that I had no space for.
That's the caption for this year. NWX. No more weak shit. Because this was hard at a certain point, but now I don't know what happened.
It got stains on it. It's okay.
It ain't even about the stains. I got bigger, this got smaller for.
Clothes are only for a season half the time, most of the time.
You see how she think.
I think you can get rid of stuff. Ain't nothing wrong with it. This nigga want a hanger, so I can just.
Do you want this hoodie?
Nope.
Alright, well, we got 2 of them. Do you
I don't wear those. I don't like that.
Another hoodie. Gone.
This is too much. This is too much.
Black is bold. My OG made this stuff for real.
Anything on your side of the closet, I promise you, I don't even want it unless it's that green and black flannel. We don't have space to be keeping stuff.
That's crazy.
Where's my water? I ain't thirsty. No, I don't want that. I done took like 5 water breaks so far. And I even put electrolyte mix in this because I know it's gonna be sweating, I know it's gonna be hot. Y'all know. Oh yeah, I didn't have no piss there. Do I?
What did you say?
Piss things, because I'm sweating a little bit. I'm just ready to get done with this room. But we're almost done, so that's good. I'm ready to sweep and mop and move on to the next floor. And I think we should do the easy thing next, which is the living room. Which, really, we could do the living room and the kitchen at the same time.
Tell me what you like about him. You a turtle little thotty, ain't no way.
3 bags of clothes, gone!
Send them back to Metro housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for. Nigga behind the fence, dripping in and out, spilling in a new designer gear by Costa. Pay attention to the detail, going 2-tone on choker. Young niggas always ready to murder, some call them smokers. Young nigga had motion, on, make sure the car get hit a 360, windmill when I left the seat. That's that action,
flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to bone. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks.
The room is done. It took us like 2 hours. Not too bad because we did a lot. We literally went through so much clothes. Yeah, we got rid of like 3 to 4 bags, which is crazy. This is 2 bags of trash. Bathroom is clean. He did the vanity area. He cleaned his desk. Y'all, now we gotta go downstairs. So that was the bedroom and the balcony. Boom, period, clean. Now we're about to go to the living room because I need something easy. Like that was a bit much. I need something easy. So we're gonna do the living room. So we're gonna do the couch, sleep them out in there, and then I think I just have some flowers that I need to get rid of because they're old. And then lastly, but not least, is the kitchen. I know that's supposed to be the hardest part. Oh, but y'all, my room is clean. And I'm gonna show y'all something. Y'all know I couldn't clean my room without lighting a candle. I'm just gonna do this stuff right now. Hey, this is just. Ooh, and that's the red mandarin ink guava. It's gonna smell so good in here. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So this is what I wanted to show y'all. Literally, when we were cleaning up and I was bringing all that stuff downstairs, I brought the stuff that I needed to be downstairs. So the bags of clothes and the trash, and then the broom and the dustpan and the mop. Yeah. So them bags look crazy lined up. To think that all of that just came out of our bedroom is wild. Wild. I know. Y'all know the drill. We finna do the living room and the kitchen. Finna cut on some music. It's my turn for music again. So praise God for that, because I needed to keep me motivated. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what the living room is looking like right now. We obviously was just laying on the couch taking a little break, so the living room ain't much. It's literally just a couch. We ain't even decorated nothing yet because my cousin also lives here and we need to figure out how we want to decorate together. There goes the kitchen. That's like literally stuff that we brought down here. And then KT, he's not motivated no longer to clean. And then our dining area that we also have yet to set up is just the bags of stuff we need to get rid of.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how brave it is.
Don't open your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him, fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on me, now we mad because you had me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had day shifts? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. I shit off when you top me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how brave it is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how brave it is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me.
so we are done cleaning. If we didn't show you, it's because the camera overheated. So yeah, we clean everything. The oven is on self-clean. I'm not about to mess with the inside of the oven today. The other stuff I wanted to clean, which is like storage closet and garage, that's gonna wait. That is gonna wait. Dishwasher, I know y'all been seeing everybody on TikTok take apart their dishwasher and clean it. We don't even use our dishwasher. We never one time ran this dishwasher since we lived in the house, so I'm not messing with that. When we move out, they can mess with the dishwasher. It might have some dust. I don't know, but we don't use the dishwasher. We are done cleaning. Thanks for watching. It's been a long day. It's still early. It's still like 3 something. So it is 3 something. Just kidding. It's 4:09. And this is our little after school, after work snack. But sure, y'all. House is clean. We're gonna take them clothes to donate them. You gonna drop it off today?
No, still them.
Babe, we could drop them clothes off. I'm gonna drop them clothes off to donate today, probably. In a little bit. I need to just sit down for a moment. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
Fiction, that's facts.